back to the channel. So today I'm back out here on my 2015 Tesla Model S. This is the 85D. So in one of my past videos, I installed the refresh bumper on mine. So as you know, from the 2012 to 2015, we have a particular front bumper. And then from 2016 on, they changed it up to this style. So I switched that out, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to go ahead and check out that video as well. And plus I got quite a few others out there doing a few upgrades onto my Teslas and some how-tos on how to do some repairs on it as well. But back to this right here. So today I wanted to install a front splitter. As you can see it laying down there on the ground down there. Ordered this off of eBay. I think I paid like just under 60 bucks for it. And it comes in 3 pieces, the middle piece and the 2 side pieces. And I got the gloss one. They have them flat black, and they also have them paintable. I went with the gloss. And they also have carbon fiber as well. But it's just put them together, 2 screws on each end, and that's it as far as connecting it all together. I actually ordered it 2 days ago, and it arrived today from California already, and I'm in Wisconsin, so that was pretty nice. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to go ahead and install this. All right, so even though mine is a 2015, now that I have a 2016 plus front bumper on mine, I needed to order a front splitter for the 2016 plus bumper style. And this one is really lightweight because it's only plastic, and the contour seems to be pretty much dead on here. All right, if you're doing this alone, I suggest you have something to help prop it up. I'm just going to take a box here, actually the box that came in, turn it around so you can't see my address, and put it up like that. And it comes with all the screws to put it in. And I'm debating on using some JB Weld in order to help keep it up. It's real light, so I don't think I need it. There's really no weight to it, so I think the screws should be enough, but I brung it out for just in case, but I don't foresee using it. So they already have places underneath where you can screw it. So there appears to be 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, 4 on that side, and none in the middle. So the middle it gets kind of free floating. And when you put it up here, it's not going to be molded perfectly to the shape of the fender of the bumper, but if you apply pressure to it, it goes right in there perfectly. So you need to do that prior to screwing in your screws. All right, there we go with it all installed. I actually absolutely love it. Not bad for a less than $60 spoiler. The fitment is spot on up in there. And what I did up front here, because there was no screws to actually connect up here, I actually used these right here. There's voids behind it and ran screws up in there, because I could see over time where the wind would just create this big gap, unsightly gap between there. So that's how it looks. I'll provide a link in the description. If you like, hit the like button and definitely hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining, everyone.